Alright, the GTO is back in the garage right now. I brought it home to actually get the decals off, do a little bit of body work, take all the sticky stuff off, and to cut and roll my fenders. So that's why I brought it home. So I got to cut and roll both fenders on the back. And I might have to get it aligned because I drove it home and it actually dries pretty bad. But you see, I got the new windshield put in it. So, all right, that's it. Okay, last time I was recording, I said I was going to take the decals off, and I actually clearance the fender some. I don't know if you can see up in there, but I wanted to get that done. Got about another ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch out of it by doing it, and I said I wanted to do that before I got it painted, just in case I chipped some of the paint off, in which I didn't chip any from the outside, as you can see. So I got that done on both sides. And this is the side that we actually welded the quarter panel on, so I did that, clearance that one. And on this one I was trying to be careful because I didn't want to take the chance of popping the weld back off where we welded the quarter panel on. Not saying that it would have, but I didn't want to take that chance and have to start back over when my door's open. Alright. And I'm gonna have to, right here, my hood is over too far, so, and this is when I took the hood off, so I didn't put it back on right, so I'm gonna have to adjust the hood back over some to get that off of that fender. And this part down here, I'm gonna see if I can get the body shop to see what they can do with that. I didn't want to have to try to mess with that, so see if I can get the body shop to try to do that before it gets painted. And headlight, I got some headlight restore up here. That's the kind that I use, Visbella. We used it on the G8 and it worked out pretty good, so I'm gonna try it again on this one, and if not, then I'll buy new headlights. But like I said before, this is not going to be a show car, so I don't really care about how clean it looks or it doesn't look. So that's my goals with it. So it's just going to be something I had fun with and take to the track. So all right, so what I think I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to try to pull some of these decals off. I spent all day pulling vinyl wrap off of another car, so my fingers are tired, hurting, sore, so I don't feel like putting a lot of effort into this right now. So I'm probably just going to put the heat on it and see how easy it comes off. And if it doesn't come off very easy, then I'm going to wait for a different day. Alrighty, let me put the camera right here and let me put some heat on it. Okay, I finished taking the stripes off the hood. The second side was a lot easier since I used the heat and the razor blade to peel it off. Just got to clean it off with some stuff to get the residue off. And then I got to do the sides. And that'll be it. Once I get the sides done, that'll be it. Be ready for the paint. Okay, just finished pulling the stripes off of this side. the side stripes came off a lot easier, and I pulled the GTO stuff off the back here. Again, that came off kind of easy too. So, and now I'm working on the driver's side. All right, I'm working on here now. I'm gonna get that out, and then I'll be done. Okay, I just finished taking all the stripes off. So, you see right now, everything is off. Just realized I still got the one in the back where it says GTO. I forgot I got to take that off. But other than that, I got all the stripes off.
Anywhere nationwide to a lab that's local to your zip code.
Alright, I'm painting the door sills on the GTO. I just primered it just now. And over here, under there. I'm actually painting the door sills myself because the paint guy actually charges more to paint the door sills, and I only had this one to paint since this was black. So I figured I'd go ahead and do it myself. I bought the original paint kit for the car. It has the primer and the actual color Yellow Devil, which is this paint coat, and it comes with clear coat. So I'll see how it looks when I finish it. I'm pretty sure it'll look better than the black. So alright. Okay, just finished painting the yellow. Did the door. I gotta go over it with a second coat. See, I did that. And this is the paint that I use. Just like I said, I ordered it from Amazon. It is the GMWA871J Yellow Devil, and this is the original paint coat for the car. And this is a paint kit for it. It came with the primer, the paint, and it has the clear coat also. So it's a whole kit that comes together. So, and that's what I'm actually painting the door sills with. So again, I gotta put another coat over it. So, but other than that, it looks pretty good. I was just hoping that it matched, and it does. So. All right, just finished testing out my drag radials on the yellow goat. See, it actually fits pretty good. It looks pretty good. I don't think it's gonna scrub. So just give you a little walk. See? That's the front one. And I put my Veram air filter back on it. I don't think I took a video with